You might not have kids anymore, but after watching this video, you're gonna wanna run and buy some baby wipes. I'm gonna show you super easy hacks, and you're gonna love them. We're gonna turn these into sanitizers. You don't want to miss this video. Whoa! My little guy is growing up so fast, and even though we don't technically need baby wipes anymore, I still buy them for these reasons. And the first is to make my own antibacterial wet wipes. These are sold out pretty much everywhere, but baby wipes are in high supply. I typically get them on Amazon, and I look for that 3-cent per wipe price point. I'm gonna link them down below. The off-brand works just fine for this. And this is so easy. Take a funnel and about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of rubbing alcohol. Pour it inside, and you want to make sure to sanitize. It's at least 70% isopropyl. And once it drains into the package, close it up, and I kind of let it pool on the bottom, and then I flip it over so it saturates all of the baby wipes. Make sure you label the bag so you don't forget what's inside, and you know that they're working because when you take out the wipes, you'll be able to smell the alcohol. These aren't a substitute for washing your hands, but they're perfect for on the go, and we use them all the time. And there's other ways I like to use baby wipes too. You don't need any rubbing alcohol in these, just a standard baby wipe to remove deodorant stains from the inside of your shirt. This works incredibly well because you know how pesky those stains can be to get out. Good as new, definitely make sure you try this one. I've been asked this randomly over the years as well, cleaning houseplants. I always have used baby wipes. It goes super fast and it doesn't mess with the integrity of the plant. They're also perfect for cleaning leather furniture and even leather clothes. Think couches, chairs, ottomans, whatever you have. And also any surfaces that you don't want to use chemicals on. This marble table is actually marble. It was a hand-me-down, passed down in our family, and I always use baby wipes to clean it. If the wipe's not that dirty and it's dried out, these are also the best dusters. Check this out. Leave the wipes out to dry for a little bit and they'll clean baseboards, do any type of dusting you have super, super fast. And you can add some spray to it if you want to. If you enjoyed this video and want more quick tips like this, you leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below. That really helps me out a lot. And if you're brand new, you click that subscribe button, join the Dime Tribe so I can catch you in the next video. I make videos like this all the time. We're gonna get clean and organized on a budget. I'll see you soon.
Mommy, I'm all done.
No.